Hello and welcome to Dr. Rajesh Biogenesis. So from NTPC we have a job recruitment notification. This notification is related to Assistant Chemist Trainee Recruitment 2026. Altogether there are 40 posts in this advertisement. So yesterday the advertisement has been given. Now let us look at the details of this notification through the website. So here is the official website of NTPC. Yesterday advertisement has been given and today it has been uploaded in the website also. Advertisement number 9 2026, recruitment for the post of Assistant Chemist Trainee, ACT Act. So here we can see that the recruitment for the post of Assistant Chemist Trainee, online application will remain open from 26th. It is starting from 26th June and it will stay up till 10th July. So the time is very short, only 15 days time has been given. So do not delay, apply for it. There will be 40 positions. Depending upon the requirement, the number of vacancies may increase or decrease. That is what they have also given in the advertisement. Let us look at the advertisement now. Right, so here is the advertisement. Yeah, now here is the detailed advertisement that you can see. We know that it is the largest power utility. So what is the qualification for this Assistant Chemist Trainee? These are the important things to be remembered. Qualification is regular full-time MSc, in chemistry from recognized Indian university. So at least 60% marks in the aggregate, 60% marks. Okay. For SC, ST and PWBD, candidates with passing marks are also eligible to apply for the post. So other than SC, ST and PWBD, you should have 60% of aggregate marks in your master's degree, whereas for SC, ST and PWBD, they can apply for this post with passing marks also. Final year semester students who expect the result by 31st July may also apply. This is a very important point to be remembered. Final year or the final semester students who expect the result by 31st July, they can also apply. So result awaited, and when should you get your result? By 31st, then even then you will be able to write this exam. Age limit 27 years as on the last date of application, online application, and age relaxation for SC, ST, OBC and so on will be applicable as per the government guidelines. So how much will be placed? Base scale pay of 30,000 to 1,20,000, DA and other prerequisites, allowances, all those things, benefits, etc. will be admissible as per company rules. So you'll be getting a dearness allowance. It means we call it as DA, or the other allowances will also be included in this. Okay, so projected vacancies, here we can see Assistant Chemist Trainee unreserved 17, EWS 4, OBC 10, SC 6, ST 3, altogether there are 40 positions. And for the reservations as per the government guidelines, you can just go through the detailed advertisement. Regarding the health, before you join the NTPC, there will be some medical examinations. So regarding medical examinations, you can go through. They have given the guidelines in the NTPC also. Selection process, they have to appear for all India based online selection test. There will be online selection test. Okay, and based on category wise merit and number of vacancies, candidates will be shortlisted for document verification. Further selection process, the test will consist of two parts: subject knowledge and executive aptitude test. The candidates must qualify separately in both the parts. Okay, so you have to qualify in the subject and you should also qualify in the aptitude test. It is not like overall, suppose if there are 150 questions, 120 for chemistry and 30 questions for aptitude, maybe you are getting 140 out of 150 for chemistry, but out of 30 if you are not able to qualify, then you are unqualified. So both of the papers, I mean both of the subject as well as the aptitude, you have to qualify. Only then you will be selected. Okay, you will be shortlisted, right? Placement and service bond. So there will be a bond. You can just go through. The selected candidates who belong to general EWS and OBC categories will be required to execute service bond of 2,50,000 or 1,25,000 for candidates belonging to SC, ST, PWBD categories to serve the company for at least 3 years. So once you join, you have to serve the company at least for 3 years, and you have to give a bond. If at all you break the bond, now you can see how much service bond, 2,50,000 or 1,25,000 that you will be owing to the company. Okay. Only Indian nationals are eligible. All qualifications from university with respect to last date and so on and so forth. And what are the other important things? Let us look. So look at your eligibilities, go through this advertisement, how to apply. There is a website given, right? How to apply, all the details have also been given. You have to upload the required documents. They have also given the required document list. After successful application, the system will generate a unique application number. You have to download the application slip and save it. Okay. Right. Candidates belonging to general EWS and OBC category are required to pay a non-refundable application fee of rupees 500, whereas the SC, ST, PWBD, XSM and female candidates need not pay the application fee. So the application fee is for general EWS and OBC 500 rupees, while for these categories SC, ST, PWBD, XSM category and female candidates, they don't have to pay the application fee. So I request you to go and apply, write the exam. That is a very good position that you can get. Payment in the offline mode, bank details have been given. Online mode, bank the details of the payment have been given either through net banking, debit card or credit card. Uploading of documents, all the documents that have to be uploaded have been given here. Please go through. And the dates that again you have to remember is commencement of online application beginning from 26th of June, and last date for the online application is 10th July. Okay, so these are the two things that you have to remember, and I always request all of our students that don't wait for the last date. Apply at least 3 to 4 days prior to the last date. Okay, so that there will be no issues. Now what could be the tentative syllabus? The tentative syllabus, they have to update the syllabus, they have to update the examination date also. Both of the things they have to update. Only application date and what is the final date they have given. But tentative syllabus, here we can see physical chemistry, almost it is like intermediate and UG level. So atomic structure, thermodynamics, redox reaction, states of matter, ionic equilibrium, electrochemistry, surface chemistry, nuclear chemistry, phase equilibrium and chemical kinetics. These are the topics from physical chemistry. So you can see that almost all IP level, intermediate level or CBSE level syllabus is covered in this. Organic chemistry, basics and stereochemistry. So all basics is general organic chemistry, GOC, which we call it as, or basic organic chemistry, BOC, and stereochemistry. Along with that, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, oxygen containing compounds, halogen compounds, carbonyl chemistry, nitrogen containing compounds. It means you have to study ethers, acids, so all oxygen related, aldehydes, ketones and so on, benzene and heterocycles, polymers, spectroscopy, IR, UV and NMR. Along with this, environmental chemistry, biomolecules, proteins, lipids and carbohydrates. Coming to inorganic chemistry, mole concept, stoichiometry, chemical bonding, periodic table, transition elements and lanthanides. Actinides have not been mentioned. Analytical chemistry, S block and P block elements. Directly they have mentioned S block and P block. This is tentative syllabus, not given in the NTPC, but tentative syllabus. This is what is being expected to come, but we exactly don't know what is the syllabus because this is not from the official website. Okay. Analytical chemistry, S block and P block. metallurgy, Ellingham diagram basics, coordination compounds, and coordination compounds. Later on we have general aptitude, vocabulary and reading comprehension, quantitative aptitude, data interpretation, logical reasoning, and general awareness. So in the beginning they have mentioned that you have to qualify in both of these papers, chemistry as well as aptitude test. So usually the duration will be for 120 minutes, 2 hours of exam. There will be a negative marking of 0.25. Chemistry, the number of questions will be 120, marks allotted will be 120, 1 mark for each question. And general aptitude, there are 30 questions, 30 marks. So altogether the number of questions are 150 and the marks allotted are also 150. But remember, there is a negative marking also. Okay, so it is a very good exam. I mean, it is a very good organization, NTPC. You can just go for the exam, attempt it. The questions will not be very tough. It is, you can see that the syllabus is almost like intermediate based syllabus. So you have to just go through the syllabus, stick to the basics, practice a lot, and then go and attempt the examination. Examination fee has also been given. I've told you the details and what forms have to be uploaded. All those details also have been given in the website. You please go through the NTPC recruitment website. The advertisement has been uploaded today. Okay, and if at all any other details that will be coming regarding NTPC, let it be the syllabus updation or let it be the date of examination, those things we will be updating you. And my request for the Telugu states, Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh, because very recently there has been a notification, TGPCB, Pollution Control Board Assistant Scientist notification has been released. The exam is tentatively in the month of July, or maybe it will be, we don't know when the exam will be. Tentatively they have given in the month of July. So this syllabus is almost matching with that syllabus. Okay, so for those who are preparing for PCB, you can also try to apply for this. You attempt for this exam. Additional units are very less. Okay, maybe environmental chemistry, all those things, water chemistry, there are different units which are little bit different for you, but this syllabus is almost matching with that of your syllabus. So my request is you should definitely apply for this, because most of you have been already preparing for this. So don't miss this golden opportunity. Apply, and further details we will be notifying it. Okay, so for getting the further details, kindly subscribe and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.